IFR Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, received Sierra via Monty, 17 right, request 2 POB and request taxi clearance.
Bravo Sierra Victor, ground taxi holding point Golf 2, runway 17 right, squawk 4076, airways to come.
4076 and taxi to holding point Golf 2, 17 right, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Left off.
Don't mind if you do autopilot for the navigation.
Bravo Sierra Victor, cleared Monty planned route 3000.
Cleared Monty, planned route 3000, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, passing 2500, contact departures 129.4.
Passing 2500, contact departures 129.4, Bravo Sierra Victor. Should I move that to Monty?
Bravo Sierra Victor,
it will.
cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. Alright, it's going to sequence.
Request traffic, Echo Oscar Quebec.
Airspeed's alive.
Echo Oscar Quebec, traffic on base now.
Turn the heater off.
Traffic inside, Echo Oscar Quebec.
Echo Oscar. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. 60.
We're outside the circuit now, isn't it?
Yep.
So we'll start making a turn to intercept our outbound track.
Echo Oscar Echo, VFR traffic, Zulu Echo Juliet, 3.5 miles, 11 o'clock, 3,500 feet, operating east of centre line, 4,500 below.
Melbourne departures, Bravo Sierra Victor, passing 2,500 on climb 3,000.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Melbourne departures identified.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Right, 160.
When you're ready, we'll get the ATIS.
Okay.
Bravo Sierra Victor, turn right, heading 030.
Turn right, 030, Bravo Sierra Victor. So heading 030.
Good day, ambulance 311 is on set 9000, Essendon Hotel visual.
Ambulance 311, Melbourne, Pasco, runway 26, expect a left circuit, descend to 5,000.
Send the 5,000.
Hotel.
Time check 0504.
Now we need to load the approach, don't we?
Yeah?
Do we?
Can, yes. Does it come up?
Ambulance 311, descend to 4,000.
Descend to 4,000, ambulance 311, the field's inside.
Ambulance 311.
ILS runway 26. Via Monty.
No.
No.
There's a hole.
Arrow.
Can I activate that now?
Ambulance 311, track 4, left circuit, runway 26, descend to and maintain 2,000 visual.
Track for left circuit 26, descend to and maintain 2,000 visual, ambulance 311.
Ambulance 311, that'll be reference multiple VFR aircraft to Essendon vicinity, including a HEMS 3 that's for the Royal Children's Hospital, correction, the Alfred Hospital, currently just to the east of the field.
Ambulance 311, understood.
So Monty is, what's 350 saying, from here?
It's actually counting from Moorabbin to Monty again.
Oh, okay. San M. Okay.
Apollo 30, resume our navigation, track direct
Is
to November
257.
and hold at 4,000.
And that's 5.5 miles.
Apollo 30.
And that's the missed approach. 57. 500 feet.
Mike Alpha Whiskey, when ready, descend 6,000.
That's the missed approach.
6,000 when ready, leaving 7,000 now. Mike Alpha Whiskey.
Mike Alpha Whiskey.
Okay, we can activate this approach because we're getting vectored.
Yep.
So do so.
Bravo Sierra Victor, expect to pass through the localizer and join from the left.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Sorry, I stood over the top of you there. Expect to join from the right.
Expect to join from the right, Bravo Sierra Victor. So procedure?
Yep. Activate approach.
Activate approach.
That should change to, okay, it didn't change it, but it should change to the CDI normally. But see, the localizer is set to 257.
Yep.
That's correct, 257.
Okay.
Good, okay.
Bravo, Sierra Victor, just pass through to localizer now. Turn left heading 220 to make a pilot intercept. Report established.
Turn left, 220 for pilot intercept, Bravo Sierra Victor. 220.
Departure Oscar X-ray Whiskey, passing 2,600, on climb 3,000, maintaining 010.
Oscar X-ray Whiskey, Melbourne, departures identified. Oscar X-ray Whiskey, climb 2.
So we're coming in on the localizer.
So localizer active.
500 Oscar X-ray Whiskey.
So should I start flying manually from here?
Avalon approach.
Yeah.
With hotel for Essendon.
India X-ray Bravo, Melbourne approach, cleared to Essendon, tracking Lacey, planned route 6000, Essendon QNH is 1028.
Clear direct route Lacey, call Essendon 6000, 1028, index of Bravo.
Autopilot.
Bravo Sierra Victor established on the approach.
Bravo Sierra Victor, 11 miles to the threshold, cleared ILS runway 26 approach.
Cleared ILS, runway 26 approach, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, contact Essendon Tower 1251.
Essendon Tower on 125.1, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Okay, don't descend. We're not
Leaving altitude.
descending. Look at the glide slope.
Yeah, it's too high, isn't it?
Oh, not moving, okay? Climb back to 3000.
Essendon Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor with information hotel.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Essendon Tower.
That's it. Because we already told the approach we are established.
Okay.
Bravo Sierra Victor, at your minima, turn left heading 140 visual and climb to 3000.
At the minima, turn left 140, climb to 3000, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, left 140 visual.
Left 140 visual, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Okay, 1 dot high. Take flaps when you're ready, 10 degrees. Don't descend yet.
Silly Delta Oscar, runway 26 cleared to land.
Okay, we are capturing glide slope now.
26, Silly Delta Oscar.
Now ground speed is 90 knots.
Leaving altitude.
Actually gone up to 100 knots now, that's good, okay.
Tower, Mike Pass Sierra, approaching the 81 pad, ready.
Mike Pass Sierra, Essendon Tower. Sierra Papa, clear for takeoff. That's Mike Papa Sierra, clear for takeoff.
Mike Pass Sierra, clear for takeoff, thanks.
My glide slope is above me.
Yep. Okay, so don't chase the glide slope, rather look at ground speed, it's about 100 knots. So let's make 500 feet per minute descent. And then we'll make slight adjustments depending whether we are too high or too low.
On the localizer, on the glide slope.
Bravo Sierra Victor, amend overshoot instructions at your minimum, turn left heading 180 visual, climb to 3000.
Turn left heading 180, climb to 3000 visual, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Just hold that pitch. Let's just hold about there, about 2.5 degrees nose down, as it does.
so we're coming up to our minima.
Okay.
Whiskey India November, Essendon, are you with me?
Whiskey India November.
Whiskey India November, West Cape Bridge, Essendon 1500.
Okay, so 540.
Minimum.
Minimum. Whiskey India November.
And at 500 feet we can turn.
Flaps up first.
Bypass Sierra Control Services terminated.
Stop this, bypass Sierra.
And 180.
Bravo Sierra Victor, report leaving 2000.
Report leaving 2000, Bravo Sierra Victor.